Good morning, students. Today we were doing notice writing. We have completed children notice related with events, notice related with um, happenings, notice related with lost. Okay, so now today I will be revising some of the important points related with notice, and then we will be doing notice of tours and travels and of found. Okay, so first of all, what is a notice? A notice is a written or printed piece of information that can be in the form of an official statement of public importance or a warning in advance. It can also be used for giving information to a segment of people mm, or the people at large. Since a notice is primarily meant to inform a large number of people, it must be clear and brief. It is very important form of written communication used by individuals and organizations to convey information about functions, events, and occasion. Now, why do we write notice? What is the purpose of writing notice? The main purpose of writing a notice are to provide information regarding an important event that is about to happen or has happened. Publicly display information for others to know and follow. Now, types of notices: notice for meeting, notice for events like competition, celebrations, annual sports event, cultural festival, winter carnival, music carnival, etc. Notice for lost and found, notice for tours or travels, fairs, exhibition, campaigns, seminar, workshop, something like that. Notice for appeals and warning. Notice, this is also important, children. Notice for change of name, residence, company, or bank account. So, some important points, and children, we have to follow a particular format while writing the notice. I told you about 5W, that means what is the purpose of writing the notice, venue, where, that means venue, when, that means day, time, and date, whom, how many. Okay, so 5Ws we have to keep in mind, and apart from that, children, individual should keep the following point in his or her mind while writing the notice. Name of the organization in the format. Name of the organization and place should be there with the capital, should be written with the capital letter. The word notice should first line blank. Name of the institution, comma, place should be written in the second line. Third line notice, left side of the notice, the date should be written. Date of issue on the left hand side should be there. An eye catching heading or title should be there. Then, children, your notice should be brief and precise, and all the information should be there. The content must include complete information. It must inform the reader about the 5Ws. The purpose of the notice should be very clear. The name and designation of the issuing authority should be mentioned. One is free to add any relevant information not included in the question, as long as the notice does not become too lengthy. The language used must be lucid and must be written in third person. That is, pronouns like I, you, me, mine, you, our should not be used. Choices of tense will depend on the nature of the notice. The notice should be presented within a box. So, children, I told you the first thing you have to draw at the box. Your children word limit, whatever you are writing, should come nothing outside the box. So, now, children, I have already taught you the value point of lost and found, like what should be there in events and happening. So, who is organizing it? What is the objective, purpose, or the occasion? Date, time, duration, venue of the written, that means 5W should be there. who can participate, essential qualification, eligibility, condition. Last date for registering name. Now children, if there is a music competition, then what should be the last day for submitting the name? Or debate competition is there, so what is the last day for submitting the name? Depositing the amount, if you have to deposit some amount, suppose if there is an annual function and you have to deposit some amount for the children beautiful dresses or for the props, so you have to write the date of that also. Specific instructions if any. Contact person with designation. Okay, now children, today we are going to do notice of found and some lost and found. So lost notice we have done, and today we will be doing the notice of found. Now before that, I would like to discuss some value points related with lost and found. Now while writing a notice for the lost or found, okay, following detail should be needed to finish the notice. So first of all, proper format should be there, a box should be there, name of the institution should be there, notice should be there. At the left hand side of the notice there should be a date, and after that children you have to write pen found or pencil found, okay, whatever is found or whatever is lost. If your watch is lost, you can write watch lost. If your diary is lost, school diary lost, something like that. Then article, object, lost or found. Then children, third thing you have to write when it was lost or when it was found. Date, time, day, when you lost or found it. The place where you lost or found it. Brief description, identification, mark. Then contents. Whom to contact, when and where. A suitable gift, reward for the person who returned that article. A suitable gift, reward for the person who returned that article or object. Contact person and designation, class and address. So you have to contact the person and designation, class and address. Now children, so now today we will do the notice for found. So children, there is a difference between a notice of lost and this is a difference between notice of found. In lost notice, children, we have to give the detail of the thing which is lost. Now suppose if your watch is lost, there are like two notice we have done which was related with lost. So in first notice your pencil box was lost, so children you have given the details. First in the notice you have written what is lost, and then secondly you have written children the details of your box. Okay, what was the detail? That it was a blue colored pencil box and it was made of fiber. Okay, and it contained cello pen, Natraj pencils, eraser, all that thing. So this you have to, but in the found notice children you don't have to mention all this thing. In fact, the person who will come to take the things, you have to ask for the detail. Otherwise, children, it would be very difficult for, if we will tell the detail, it would be very difficult for us. It would be really very difficult for us that to know whether the box belongs to him or not. Okay. So, and this is the major difference between the notice of lost and notice of found. Okay, in a notice of lost, children, what we have to do, we have in both the notice, children, what, let me tell you the similarity and the differences between the notice of lost and found. In the notice of lost and found, first the box will be made. The format will be almost the same, like the name of the institution, then small comma, place first line blank, second line you have to write like that, third line notice, third line you have to write notice, then children date, children and third line children, it was date, and fourth line, um, fourth line children, it was not only, it was children, the heading. In heading you have to write, suppose if you have lost your box or pen, so pen lost or pen found, both you can write. Then leave one line and then you have to write your notice related with lost and or found. Then finally children, in this, in the content, the major difference is that whatever you lost you have to give details, and whatever you found you have to, children, what you have to do, whatever you found, okay, what you have to do, whatever you found, children, um, that you don't have to mention the detail, otherwise we don't know that it is the right person who is taking the thing from us or not. So this is the situation. Then children, we have to leave one line and we have to write the name, and instead of designation, generally class and section is written in both lost and found. So one notice I am going to do with the found. Lost we have already done two notice, so one notice we are going to do with the found. You are Jatin Rahegja of class 8. You found a purse in the school library. Write a notice for the notice board of your school, asking its rightful owner to furnish necessary detail to claim it back from you. So once again children, I am reading the notice and you can see what are the things given here, and according to that you have to write it. So you are Jatin Rahega of class 8. So children, here name and the designation is there. You found a purse in the school library. Now purse found, that it means the purpose and the title heading both we come to know from this. Write a notice for the school notice board of asking its rightful owner to furnish necessary detail to claim it back from you. So children, what you will do, the name of the institution is not there. If the name of the institution is not there, fine, no problem. You have to draw the box, leave one line, and then you can write army, then Varanasi, then fourth. In the third line you have to write notice and date also, 29 April 200221, and then children you have to write the heading. What is the heading? You will write purse found. Leave one line here, leave one line here, and from the here you will write all the students are hereby informed that a purse has been found. Okay, a purse has been found on the floor of the library. On the floor of the library hall. Okay, so you can see how I have started the notice. All the students are hereby informed that a purse has been found on the floor of the library hall. On, now I have to rub children because there is a lack of spaces there. So on 28 April, on 28 April 2021, on 28 April 2021, on 28 April 2021 at 2 p.m. Now children, that's all. You don't have to now give the details about the purse. Okay. Now the genuine owner of the purse can claim it. Now what you will write? The genuine owner of the purse should claim it. From the undersigned, after giving necessary particulars. So again here I am going to rub. After giving necessary particulars about the purse and its contents. Okay. Then children, you have to write, leave one line here, and then you have to write Jatin Raheja. B, and then again you have to read one line. So student, you can see that how I have written the notice related with found. So you don't have to give necessary particulars. So whatever thing you first you have to make a box. Whatever thing you have to find, that's you will be writing in the heading also. Like children sent Army Public School Varanasi. Then you have to write notice. Then left hand side of the notice, the date should be there. Then what you will write children in the heading? Purse found. All the students are hereby informed that a purse was found on the floor in the library hall on 2nd August on 28 April 2021 at 2 p.m. It is the genuine owner of the purse can claim it from the undersigned after giving necessary particulars about the purse and its content. And then children, you have to leave one line, and then you have to write the name of the person who is children issuing the notice. Okay, and of course class. Okay, so in this way children, we write lost notice. And now we are going to do the new type of notice, that is tours and travel notice. So children, now I am going to teach you the notice related with tours or excursion. That means children, whenever there is a picnic or excursion or educational tour, okay, or religious tour from the school, then how you have to write the notice. So now children, I will be teaching you how to write the notice of tours and travels. Okay, how to write the notice of tours and travels. So how you will write children? You have to think this is a bit different type of notice. Okay, now children, here you have to, first thing you have to inform in the heading and in the first line that where you are going, your school is taking you for tour. Okay, and in the heading, suppose if you are going to tour to Delhi or Agra, so you can write tour to Agra or Delhi. And then children, in the first line you have to say that where where you people will is going to for the tour. Then which day, then the 5 W's, which day, where you will gather. You will gather at the station, that means where, when, which place, or in the school campus you will come, and from there you will go to the airport or to the railway station. At what time, day and date and venue. Then children, the cost of the trip. Okay, how much money you have to give and to whom. And then you have to mention also that children, with this money is for meals, fare and lodging. And then to whom you should give. Okay, that means those who wish to join the trip, they can give their names to the respective class teacher, and of course children, name and heading. So children, tours and travels, these are the notice of tours and travels. So one notice children I am going to do, and I hope you will all write. First write the question, I am dictating the question. So Saint Anthony School, Faridabad. Here the name of the school is given. Children, whenever there is a question related with notice, you have to see what are the things given. Saint Anthony School, Faridabad has planned an excursion to Mussoorie, that is Dehradun. It's a week-long trip during which the student will visit the famous places of the area. So children, the days has been mentioned here. Children, the name of the school is there, place is there. Okay, then where you will go, then how many days, it is a week long trip. Okay, all the student can go there to that place, the famous places of the area. Write a notice in the answer sheet in not more than 50 words, giving all the necessary details. Sign yourself as Ripan Nandi, the head boy of the school. Now children, see here the designation is bit changed. The name is Ripan Nandi and he is the head boy of the school. So children, how many things are there? Name of the institution, place, where are you going, okay, for how many period of time you are going. Then you have to write children name and designation. So these things are given. So once again I read this notice, and children, you have to, and I will tell you how you have to write it. So I am reading it. Saint Anthony School, Faridabad has planned an excursion to Mussoorie, that is Dehradun. It's a week-long trip during which the students will visit the famous places of the area. Write a notice in the answer sheet in not more than 50 words, giving all the necessary details. Sign yourself as Ripan Nandi, the head boy of the school. So, student, I am going to write that notice for you. Okay. So first of all, you have to write the name of the institution. If it is given, okay. If it is not given, then you have to write it. So it is given here, and see how I am going to write Saint. Saint, and first line blank. Anthony School, Faridabad. Then 29 April 2021 notice. Then you will write in the heading you will write the place where the tour is going. So tour to and Dehradun. Okay, so you can see I have drawn a box. First line I have blank. St. Anthony School, Faridabad. Notice 29 April 2021. Tour to Mussoorie and Dehradun. Now you have to leave one line here, and the same format. All the students are hereby informed that. Okay, so now you have to write the purpose. That school has planned a week long. That the school has planned a week long tour to Mussoorie and Dehradun. Okay, so in the very first line, children, all the students are informed that the school has planned a week-long tour to Mussoorie and Dehradun. Now, children, you have to write the second. The student will gather in the school campus on 10th May 2021 at 10 a.m. on Wednesday. And children, the consent letter is a must. You will write the consent letter is a must, and the cost of the entire trip will be 7,000. Okay, the cost of the entire trip will be 7,000. So all the students are hereby informed that the school has planned a week-long excursion to Mussoorie and Dehradun. The student will gather in the school campus on 10th May at 10 a.m. on Wednesday. The council letter is a must. Student, only the council letter is a must, and the cost of the entire trip will be 7,000. Now you have to see that this 7,000 will include what? The cost which includes meals, fare and lodging. Which includes meal. That means children, what that 7,000 is children, it is including meal. Okay, so children, it is including meal, fare and lodging. Then those who wish to join the trip can give their names to the respective class teacher. Those who wish to join the tour can give their names to the respective class teachers. And then leave one line, and then here you will write Vipin Nandi, head boy. Okay, close the box. Vipin Nandi, head boy, close the box. Okay, so so children, with this you can see how I've written the notice. All right, and with this I conclude my video on notice writing. That's all children for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.